40 years had passed. Israel now stood at the edge of the promised land. Across the Jordan lay the land God had promised to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. But before the people crossed, Moses gave one final warning.
Hear, Israel! You are crossing the Jordan today.
To go in, to dispossess nations greater and mightier than you. Cities that are great and fortified to heaven. A people great and tall, the sons of Anak. Whom you know, and of whom you have heard. Who can stand against the sons of Anak?
So be aware that it is the Lord your God who is crossing over ahead of you as a consuming fire.
He will destroy them, and he will subdue them, the father in destiny. And he will destroy them and into you before you, so that you may drive them out and eliminate them quickly, just as the Lord has spoken.
Do not say in your heart, when the Lord your God has driven them away before you.
Because of my righteousness, the Lord has brought me in to possess this land. Rather, it is because of the wickedness of these nations that the Lord is driving them out before you. In order to confirm the oath which the Lord swore to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob.
Know then that it is not because of your righteousness that the Lord your God is giving you this good land, for you are a stubborn people.
Remember, do not forget how you provoked the Lord your God to anger in the wilderness.
"40 years earlier, at Mount Horeb, Israel witnessed the awesome presence of the living God.
From the day you left Egypt until you came to this place, you have been rebellious against the Lord. When I went up the mountain to receive the tablets of the covenant, I remained there 40 days and 40 nights. I neither ate bread nor drank water.
The Lord gave me the 2 tablets of stone, written by the finger of God. Then the Lord said to me, "Arise, go down from here, quickly. Because your people whom you brought out of Egypt, have behaved corruptly. They have quickly turned aside from the way that I commanded them. They have made a cast metal image for themselves. The Lord also said to me, I have seen this people, and indeed, it is a stubborn people.
So I turned and came down from the mountain while the mountain was burning with fire, and the 2 tablets of the covenant were in my hands.
And I saw that you had indeed sinned against the Lord, your God. You had made for yourselves a cast metal image of a calf. You had quickly turned aside from the way which the Lord had commanded.
So I took hold of the 2 tablets and threw them from my hands and smashed them before your eyes. Then I fell down before the Lord like the first time. For 40 days and 40 nights I neither ate bread nor drank water.
Because of all your sin which you committed to provoke the Lord to anger. But the Lord
was angry enough with Aaron to destroy him. So I also prayed for Aaron at that time. And I took your sinful thing, the calf, and burned it, crushed it, ground it until it became as fine as dust, and threw its dust into the stream. Then, at Taberah, at Massah, and at Kibroth-hattaavah, you kept provoking the Lord to anger.
And when the Lord sent you from Kadesh Barnea, saying, Go up and possess the land, you rebelled against his command.
My Mos, you have been rebellious toward the Lord since the day I knew you. So I fell down before the Lord and prayed, Lord God, do not destroy your people, your inheritance, whom you redeemed with your mighty power. Remember Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, yet they are your people and your inheritance, whom you brought out by your great power and your outstretched arm.